How's it going, YouTube? Welcome back. And now we got a 17-18 Ultimate Collection. I've always wanted to open an Ultimate box. I never have. Always thought a single box for about 150 is not worth it. Guarantee it's not going to be worth it, but what the hell? You gotta try everything once, right? So I'm super excited for this. Get some really good stuff. And like always, we're just going to jump right into the breaks. So I need to get a better knife to open these and a pair of scissors. This is not fat at all, so there better be a real nice auto in here, because there's definitely not a patch. What is the breakdown on this anyways? That's way too small for you guys to read. How many autos per box? Doesn't say. I guess I just don't feel like reading. Right on the back there, Ultimate Rookies of Cal Rosen. That's not very good, but let's just do this like this. Samuel Blaise. Ultimate Introductions. Tage Thompson, auto out of 299. 114. Tyson Yost out of 99 Ultimate Inductions. That's not bad. It's a second Tyson Yost. Got the 149 out of Ice. I like the look of that card. Are these the Ultimate out of 99 rookies that they used to have? Or is that parallels of this one that are the 99 for the Superstars? And then Pavel Datsyuk Ultimate Performers out of 99. 53 out of 99. The last one is the Calle Rosen of 399. So like I said at the beginning, these boxes are definitely not worth it. That is a terrible 5 cards. Oh god. Yeah, Ultimate, definitely not worth the price. This one's definitely the best card I got by far. Wow, that's a rough box. But, alright, it was worth it. Try it once. Imagine it's going to be the same with the cup eventually. But, alright guys, I will see you in the next video.